Okay, so for this particular video, I wanted to just show you how your numbers can be a little bit off and it can cause you to miss the cumulative relative frequency. A lot of times I'll have to look at view an example to see what's going on, but I noticed in here that it does want you to use technology when you're calculating your frequencies. So always view an example just to kind of see where we're going with this. They do want you to round to the nearest thousandths, but here's the deal. When you get your relative frequencies, they don't want you to take these and add these up to get your cumulative. What they want you to do is to go into Excel and when you do your formula for relative frequency, when you're putting it in StatCrunch, you are going to round it to the nearest thousandth. So all your numbers in StatCrunch are rounded to the thousandths. But all your numbers in my stat lab are rounded to the nearest thousandths. But when you're calculating your cumulative, they don't want you to add those rounded numbers. They want the rough numbers. So for example, for your cumulative here, when you add these two non-rounded numbers, you will get 0.446. And then you continue to do that as you're adding. We want the numbers in your relative frequency that haven't been rounded yet. They want you to add these and then round. So your numbers, I think there were two numbers here that if you added the rounded numbers, if you added these numbers, you would be off by maybe like a 1/1000th on two of these. So make sure that when you're doing your cumulative relative frequency that you don't round your relative frequencies and add them together. Keep them kind of big to add them, and then when you get over here, look at the number and then round it to the thousandths. Let me know if you have any other questions.